Hello and welcome. I'm Kalinga from the Code Sprint channel. Today I am going to discuss about speech recognition with Python. So let's see how it works. Then we will go into the details of the code. So I'm running it right now.
Good evening. I am Robot. Processing speed 4 GHz, RAM 8 gigs, hard disk 1 TB. How may I help you today?
According to Wikipedia, what is COVID-19?
Searching Wikipedia. According to Wikipedia, this is a list of people with Wikipedia articles who have died from coronavirus disease 2019, COVID-19, as a result of infection by the virus SARS-CoV-2 during the COVID-19 pandemic.
Could you please open YouTube for me? Which city do you live in?
I live in Bangalore.
Could you please open Google for me?
Sorry,
Could you please
I didn't get you. Please try again.
could you please play a movie for me? What is the time?
The current time is 19 hours 20 minutes and 54 seconds.
Who are you?
My name is Robot. How may I help you today?
Could you please open code for me? Can you cry?
N.
Can you laugh?
Ha 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 ha.
When is your birthday?
My birthday is on June 9th, 2020.
What is your favorite movie?
My favorite movies are Titanic and Bahubali.
Robot, quit.
Goodbye. Have a wonderful day.
So let's see the code. So these are the packages I have imported over here. So these are the description I have given here to understand it completely. So first of all, pyttsx3 is the module, and it is for text to speech. So it is I'm creating this I'm creating one engine with init function using pyttsx3. So generally what I'm trying to do here is I'm creating the voice of the robot. So I'm initializing it, then I'm setting the property of the robot. So I'm giving voice as 1, so 1 is for female and 0 is for male. So using this get property and print function, you will get to know what are the robots or what are the voice you have in your system. So then speak function, wish me function, and take command function, I have used it. And here this function is the main function, and the execution starts from here. So whenever it will start, it will first jump to wish me function. So wish me function is robot is going to wish me as per the time. If it is morning 0 to 12, then it will say good morning. Then if it is 12 to 18, then it will say good afternoon. Then else good evening. So after that it will speak this sentence. So once that is done, it will go to the while loop. So this is infinite loop I have created over here. So this infinite loop will break when we say thank you robot. So here I have given the break command. So similarly I have given this break command whenever I'll say robot quit. So once it enters in the infinite loop, it will go to the take command and it will jump from here to take command. So from here, this SR is the speech recognition object. So here I have created SR, speech recognition object, and this SR is recognizing and it is using microphone as source because all the commands is getting received by microphone of the system. So then it will say listening. So whenever I have started, so first of all it is wishing me, then it is typing listening, then it is given as pause threshold as equal to 1. So it means that if you are speaking one sentence and there is a pause for 1 second, then it will be considered as completion of the sentence. So you can change it as per your requirement. Then it is listening. So this source is microphone. Using microphone it is listening and it is getting stored in audio. So then it is trying to recognize it. So this audio is passed here and using English language and the function recognize underscore Google, it is assigned to query. So now the query is whatever, suppose I'll ask some questions, what is your name, then it will be saved in query and it will be attached with user said. So this was my question and it is attached with user said. So then similarly it will try to understand what exactly is being said. Then if it is not recognizable, then it will go to the exception. So here the exception say that again please. So whenever it is unable to understand, I'll give you one example here. See here, whenever it is not able to understand, it is saying that say that again. Sorry, I didn't get you. Please try again. So this is what it is doing. So that condition is given at the end. Sorry, I didn't get you again. Please try again. So it will print as well as speak. And here it is the exception. Say that again please. Okay. So now finally it will return the query and this query dot lower will be converted to lower command, I mean the lowercase, and it will get saved in query. And now this query is passed to the if condition. So if it is related to Wikipedia, it will speak like this, searching Wikipedia, then this query is searched in Wikipedia, then the result is getting saved with the 4 sentences. So first 4 sentences of the answer will get saved in results, then it will just reply back with according to Wikipedia, then result. So that is what it is going to tell. So then first of all it will print, then speak. So similarly whenever I say open YouTube, it is just opening YouTube. So it means that you are opening here the web browser application. So similarly you can open any application. So similarly here I have tried to open Google also. Then I have tried to open play a movie. So you can do whatever you want. So this is the kind of like a container. So we can take this code and you can try to modify as per your requirement, and this can be done as like a project that student generally do in the college. So they can take this one and they can modify to a full-fledged project. So this is all about this speech recognitions. I'll try to give this code with the help of a link in the description. Just check that one. So this is what the session is all about. Please do like, share and subscribe and click the bell icon to get notified for my latest video. Thank you.